Kita oh yan.
Tingnan may ginagawa.
Oo, Beng.
Naganda ka si Zoe.
Twinning!
Oh!
Oh, baka mahilo ka, baby. Kailan na naman susunod?
Yay!
Kayo kasi malayo, sila kuya. Saglit na. Kawawa na si Zoe. Tingnan.
Ayan na si Daddy. Thank you. Thank you ah. Thank you. Susunod.
Kaya lang, wala namang mapupuntahan sa amin.
Bye, Chick.
Bahay nyo.
Doon lang.
Doon lang.
Mainit tayo. Maganda pa rin yung may mga
May pupuntahan na.
Kaya anytime nandito kayo, basta magsabi kayo para makapag-off kami. Kasi minsan pagka minsan sunod-sunod yung off namin.
Bye-bye.
Sunday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Ha? Bye, Chick.
kayo.
Bye, Beng Beng.
See ya.
Bye, Zoe.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, me too. Bye.
Yeah, what about Tito Jomark? Tito Jomark. Tito Jomark daw.
Wala lang talaga mapuntahan sa amin. Bahay lang.
Kuya, nami-miss mo ako?
Apa.
Apa.
Okay. Tatawagan mo ako pag nami-miss mo ako. Talaga.
Oh, naku, Diyos ko, baka hindi mo kayanin yan magpapatagal niya.
Bye, baby. Love ya.
Love you.
Check it out.
Hi.
Home time, guys. Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3 ba?
Kahit anong number daw.
Ayun, nag-lock na. Nag-lock na. Nagpindot ka ba?
Tara. Let's go.
Day 3, guys. Maaga tayo umuwi kahapon kasi I'm not feeling well. Another day.
Another gala.
Another gala.
We're off
I
to...
hope everything goes well.
Let's go. Ikaw wala kang ano, dito wala kang gloves.
Hindi.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. We're riding gondola.
Gondola. Sige. Huwag na kayo maghawak kamay, baliw. Dalawa pa kayong tatambling. Tanda-tanda mo na eh.
Dulas. Hina ako.
Hello guys.
We are here.
We are here
At
where we belong
Banff Gondola for the 1,000 times.
for the end time.
Lahat na lang na nagpupunta dito. Kami ang nagtutour. So, wala kaming kasawa-sawa.
Yes.
Buying tickets.
Saan sila?
We're trying to
We need to buy ticket first and then
line up.
for schedule.
Alberta.
From Edmonton. Now boarding. 12 p.m. And not that much lineup.
Wait lang guys. My nose is crying.
Jeeping.
My nose is very emotional today. I have a new tea.
What kind of tea?
Wellness tea.
What flavor is that?
Honey, citrus, peppermint. It tastes like sinigang.
That's a good description.
I'm gonna wear my eyeglasses because I can't see.
Daddy.
Picture daw tayo.
Saan? Sa labas?
Dito.
Ah. I'm sorry about that. Oh, the pop? Hello. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Oh, yan na pala. Sakto lang tayo. So, voices. Alam ko!
Sigawan na!
Ilang beses na kami dito pero sisigaw pa rin kami. Ano na siya Bulaklak?
Guys, how are you? Good, and you? Oh my God!
Thank you!
Pwede naman anak ko rin.
Ha?
Ganun po, oo. Yan, baka ko natin si Pido. Ay!
Ano? Uy, ba nakakalungangan? Nagagalaw.
Nagagalaw talaga.
Magalaw siya.
Oo nga.
Oh, dito ka mag-video.
Picturean ko kaya pala picture. Ako naman ang...
Tinabayawa ko niya.
Ay, ako na ko yan eh. Magkano yung mabagsak? Nagagansak sa Ay, di ba wala? Ba't ang galaw ng atin?
Mahangin.
Patagalaw yung
Patakit? Patakot na. Patakot naman.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like.
Ito, panabutas to.
Ito daw.
Panabutas guys.
Ako na mo siya sa'yo.
Nandito pa rin. Yan na, yan na.
Ito na tayo.
Ito siya hirap na hirap po. Yay!
Video mo. Papalit na kayo.
Ay, ay, ay.
So, ayan, nawang pen. Paano pag di ka nakababa? Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Go here.
May ano naman dito, may fireplace. Uy, lamig. Simuta na. Nakita mo, ang ganda Diba? Ganda Sa fireplace na tayo. Lamig. Nakita mo? Ayun nakita mo yung tower na yan? Yun yung nakita natin. Oo, yun.
Oo ba?
Oo.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all.
Kung kainin mo kaya?
Pito, lagyan mo yung ano mo. Uy. Kulang ka na siya.
Go, go! Tingnan mo kung dito tayo dito. Tingnan mo kung dito tayo dito.
The edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. Follow me away, 'cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone, let the highway be your home, 'cause I'll go where you go.
Hingal ako. Kakahingal guys.
Kaya nga.
I'm so...
So tired.
My nose is crying.
Picture daw siya.
Namimilit.
Happy mo.
Ako mo, tayo na parang
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come People say, people say, people say I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Ano din tayo lumabas? Dati kung sino mapapatayo.
Bakit nantay?
Hindi, pag gumanon. Woo! Yan natin. Si mama kasi napatayo eh. Sakit kasi sa bayag niyan eh.
Ito talaga parang roller coaster na to.
Lalo ko naiiyak. Lalo ko naiiyak. Pwede mo isara.
Oo, piyak ka ganyan ka.
Ang laki yun.
Maganda sana glass din, no? Para parang floating ka, no?
Ay, ano yun? Yun ang medyo nakakatakot na yun.
Ano?
Kaganyan ka kahit ng glass.
Sa Hong Kong, kang iniante.
Nakabukas yung ganyan.
Oo.
Glass.
Ay, oo, nag-gondola din kami. Ay, cable car.
Okay, mag-car, oo. Papunta dun sa Giant Buddha.
Ayun dun, oh. Ayun, oh. Yung kumpol dun, oh. Yung itim dun, oh.
Oh my God. Uy! Ay, pwede ka nang tumayo eh. Tumayo ka.
Ayun pa.
Ayan o.
May nakakatayo si Erika.
Bakit?
Hindi siya nakuuntog.
Oh, hindi nga umabot yung paa niya dun sa sasakyan ng ganun, eh.
Tutangkad nyo ha. Kalawan nyo naman. Mga 6-footer kayo ha.
Ganito yung dati pinagsiplayan natin sa Cagayan de Oro, eh, no? Paglabas mo ganyan, no? Puro punong ganyan, no? Tapos paglabas mo, puro bundok na. Kasi ibabaw ka ng bundok.
Oo.
Takot na takot siya.
Yun yung longest zipline, eh.
Nag-zipline ka?
Kami nila Butchik din.
Kami nila bobong yun.
Wala pa
Saan
silang
yung
baby
Bohol?
Sa ano, sa
Magjowa pala.
saan sila?
Bukid na.
Bukid nun. Tapos yun nung nag-water rafting kami rin yun nagkasama.
Nag-ano kami ang Cagayan de Oro, Bukid nun. At
Saka
saka Camiguin.
Camiguin.
Kasi magkakalapit lang.
Parang
Maganda yung beach.
Yung beach yung mga...
yung beach nasa gitna lang, yun lang yun, wala na. Wala
parang
siyang shore.
sandbar?
Hindi, madaming ano doon, hot spring, ganun, cold spring.
Oo, pero yung pinaka-beach, ano ka kasi? Pinaka-beach, ano lang yun. Parang nasa gitna lang talaga siya. Tapos walang shore yun. Yung sabi gusto mag-swimming.
Sandbar, oo.
O yun lang. Doon ka lang.
Meron doon.
Bakit may tugtog? May tunog. Ba't bumagal tayo?
Pababa na kasi tayo.
Baba na.
Signal siguro sa atin yan. Na,
Pababa na tayo?
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear, yeah. It's all because of you, you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yeah. It's all because of you, because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily.